Problems based on algebraic formulas. So from in this topic, previous topic I just explained all the formulas. So let us take a few formulas and let me explain few problems based on that. Okay, let me write one question here. If a plus b plus c is equals to 6 and ab plus bc plus ca is equals to 11. Now find a square plus b square plus c square. Yeah. So this is the problem. So we must know algebraic formulas. So as I explained previous topic 15, from those only what formula is supposed to use, we can use and solve this problem. Here is a plus b plus c is given, ab plus bc plus ca value is given. We need to find out a square plus b square plus c square. So related to these three, we have one formula, that is a plus b plus c whole square. A plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This we already learned previous. From this we can use these three values. A plus b plus c is 6 and ab plus bc plus ca value is 11. A square plus b square plus c square plus take 2 common from the next three terms. AB BC, we take 2 common, AB plus BC plus CA. This is a plus B plus C whole square. Now just we can substitute all the values which is in this formula. Okay, just you can use this. So in this formula we need to apply those. Here is A plus B plus C 6. Okay, 6 square is equals to A square plus B square plus C square. I need to find out as it is, plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA value is 11. 6 into 6 is 36. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 11s is 22. 22 take the left side. So then A square plus B square plus C square value is 36 by 22. That is a 14. So 14 is the solution for this problem, that is A square plus B square plus C square. Right. Let us see few more sums. How we can apply the formulas I am showing in only few problems. So the question is, if A into B is 12, B into C, that is BC, is equals to 20, C into A is 15. Find A plus B plus C. Yeah, this is a problem. A into B, A value and B value if I multiply, that is 12, and BC 20, CA 15. We need to find out A plus B plus C value. Yes, to solve this, we need to take the given value first. Just to multiply these three, because we don't know A into B into C value. Okay, A into B, AB into BC into CA. That is 12 into 20 into 15. This stuff is supposed to take, because I need to find out A into B into C value. Then only I can get ABC. So ABC 2 times everything. So that is here is we get A square into B square into C square, because A and one more A 2 times. 12 into 20, 12 2s are 24, 240 into 15, that is 3600. If you multiply, and ABC whole square, I can write this is 3600. So this we can write 60 whole square. Okay, then A into B into C is equal to plus 60. We should not take minus 60. So because AB, BC and CA are all positive, so ABC also must be positive only. Because everything is positive, so A into B into C also must be positive. Should not take negative. Actually, A into B into C value plus or minus 60, but we should take only positive 60. Right. Now observance. A into B into C 60, AB is 12. We can find out A value. Then A is equals to A into B into C by BC. We know that because ABC by BC is A only. So ABC is 60 by BC is 20. That is equals to 3. Similarly, B value. If you want B value, ABC by AC we should take. The AC cancel next to B. 60 by AC is AC or CA. Same 15. That is equals to 4. Right. Again similarly. C is equals to ABC by AB. ABC is 60 and AB is 12. So that is 5. We got ABC values. Then according to our problem, we need to find out A plus B plus C. Then A plus B plus C is equals to 3 plus 4 plus 5. Right. So 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 5 is 12. Right. So A plus B plus C this is. So A plus B plus C is equals to 12 we got. Let me show you one more problem. Variety foundation level. I was seeing one more. So if the question is if x plus 1 by x is equals to 4, find x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 value. So to solve this problem, here is the given value is x plus 1 by x is equal to 4. But I need to get x to the power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. There is no cubing, we have only squaring or cubing both sides. First let us do squaring on this. Because we need to power 4 directly we won't get. First let us do squaring on both the sides. So from this x plus 1 by x whole square is equals to 4 square. Okay, just to squaring on both the sides I did. You can simplify this. This is a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into x into 1 by x is equals to 16. X get cancelled. 2 take other side. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to 16 minus 2, that is the 14. Right? This is the first equation. Because we need to find out x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. Now I got x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 14. So what we should do again, we need to do squaring on the both sides from this. So if we do squaring on the both sides again, x square plus 1 by x square whole square is equals to 14 square. We can just multiply, means use a plus b whole square formula. So from this x square whole square plus 1 by x square whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into x square into 1 by x square. Just you can simplify this and that is equals to 14 square. 14 into 14, next up we can solve. And we are getting cancellations, this both. So this is x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 2. Next up we can take that side is minus 2. This is a 196. 14 into 14. Then x power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is equals to 196 minus 2, 194. Then we got, therefore, the value x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is equals to 194. Yes. Just you are applying the same formula 2 times. Just doing squaring on the both sides we did. Okay. So these are the some basic formulas using the problems. To use the problems, I use some basic formulas. So we have more formulas also you can apply. So I'm not discussing those. But we need to learn those formulas thoroughly. Then only we can do. Right? And next we will see some concept based on the highest common factor of the functions.